Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I know I'm using my camera phone right now. So there's a couple of cars here I had to shoot really quick. I left my GoPro at home. So I figured I'd show you guys some of these ones. They got some new ones in. And there's one of them I think you're going to get a kick out of. And the story that follows along with it. But if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell for notifications. And leave a comment down below. So I'm going to show you one of the cars that I love very, very much. You guys have seen all these other ones, but I just had to shoot a video on this because they have two of them here. You guys have seen this Cadillac. This is this other Cadillac, Maserati, the Mustang. But right here, this Nissan GTR with the parachute. This car is about as neat as they come. Carbon fiber trunk lid. Trying to back away as much as I can here and keep this stable. But I'm just using my camera, my phone and my camera really quick. Because I had to shoot this one. I mean, this is a straight up drag car. It's got a parachute on the back of it. And I can't really open it up and look underneath the hood because it does belong to a customer. It's being delivered. And I thought I would just shoot this one really quick. This is the company, I guess, that did the work on it. I mean, the inside of it is pretty stock, except for the seats and whatever parts those are. Oh, it's got a full roll cage in it, which is kind of cool. Carbon fiber inner door skins. I mean, I'm sure this car probably has a lot of weight reduction in it, and you can tell that, someone's driving this every day too. It's a daily driver. But I'm just trying to show you more of this car. I can back up really far to really get it all in. There's the parachute. And the story on this too, when the car was actually being delivered here to the United States, that the parachute opened up on the QEW doing about 80 miles an hour. I wish I could have been there to see that or even record it. So I'm sure that was pretty interesting when that happened. But this car is a beast. I love these cars. I mean, here's the other side. Another. But they do have another one of these outside. It is on their website. sascars.com. I'm in the garage area right now, so you're going to hear a lot of noise. Poor that. But we're going to walk out and I'm going to show you really quick. If you hear the wind noise, I apologize for that. And the shaky camera. It's a little windy. I'm trying to beat the rain here. So I'm going to show you a couple of nice ones that they got in. They sell a lot of these cars pretty quick. They'll ship them anywhere in the United States. They'll ship them to Canada. So if you see something you like I said, go on sascars.com and you'll get all the information on it. The price, the full breakdown on them, multiple photos. There's that other GTR right there. Another Porsche right here. What year is it? 07. I'm so used to doing all this on my GoPro and I don't have to get as close, but now I gotta walk back really, really far because I'm using my iPhone. But that's okay. I'm sure you guys don't mind too much. This one's nice. 2015. I actually like this one. I like the color. It's like a really gray with a hint of like brown in it. Look at the interior on this. And it's beautiful. Drilled rotors. here's the one I came out to see also. This GTR is so nice. Black on black. You can tell it's got an aftermarket exhaust on it, just like the one that's got the parachute. And the exhaust on this is big too. I mean, I can pretty much put my hand in there too. Well, the tips are big on it. This car is super clean. I mean, a little dirty from sitting out here, but it's not marked up or nothing like that. Somebody took really good care of it. It's hard to see the inside of it. Oh, there you go. Because it's got tinted windows. Actually, the camera's picking up more than I thought because I can't even really see in, so back up from it. There's that Supra. That's the, can't remember that the 2019 to 2020. This car is so pretty. I'd love to get my hands on one of these, but when I get monetized, you know, maybe I can eventually afford to get one. So like I said before, guys, please subscribe to my channel. You know, tell others about it. I'm trying really hard to get monetized. 2012. So I'm trying really hard to get myself monetized, you know, so I can give you guys more content. You know, I'd love to buy a car and, you know, start working on it and show you guys more. You know, but right now I just, you know, once I get monetized I can get some more funding to do it, and then I can. Right now I'm not making a dime doing these videos. I'm doing this on my own time with my own camera, my own computer, to bring you guys, you know, all the cars and anything else I can. Because we're in about another week and we'll be in phase 4 of all this COVID. So everything will be opening up like normal. So I'm hoping, you know, I can get more footage. Copart, they're still not allowing anybody in there. I haven't been able to do a Copart walk in there for a long time. I know it's been months. I apologize for that. But with COVID happening, there's nothing we could do. You know, it is what it is. We gotta, you know, everyone's gotta stay home and we gotta ride it out. So when the world starts going back to normal, I can start giving you guys more content. But till then, you guys know the routine. Hold on, I'm showing you this guy. So please hit that bell for notifications, subscribe, leave a comment down below, tell me what you like, what you don't like, and leave a message. I'll get back to you whenever I can. Till then, I'll see you on the next one.